Namaste, Jai Gurudev. So today we are going to explore ignorance. So what is ignorance? According to Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar, ignorance is the biggest pain. It is the mother of all the pain. This he answered in one of his post discussion in the daily meditation that he is taking at 12 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. India time. So it struck me as to why ignorance is the greatest pain. What is ignorance? So the dictionary says that it is lack of knowledge or lack of information. Now how can it be a pain? When you don't know something, it pricks you, it hurts you, right? It's there and you're disturbed, and it could be a physical or it could be a mental pain. Now when can you be rid of this ignorance? The moment you get the knowledge about the cause, the cure of the pain, you are out of the ignorance. Who can bring you out of ignorance? For different pains, there are different forces that play in the nature. I will explore them one by one. So let's start with the simple physical pain. You cut your fingers while cutting vegetables, bhindi for example. During lockdown at home, you're helping out everybody at home in cooking. Cannot think of anything else until this pain is fixed. There is first aid at home to fix the pain. You apply it. After the pain is gone, you're relieved. You forget about the incident. Your mind is at peace. Let's move on to a more complex physical condition like any lifestyle disease. So what do? In the beginning, you're confused. You run around until you find a doctor or somebody, who knows about the problem. You may not know, but you trust somebody, a stranger who knows about the problem. And he gives you a cure, and then you say that for the rest of your life you have to take this medication at a certain time, and then you build a discipline. The disease becomes your second nature. You don't really worry about it, and then your mind is at peace. Let's move on to something else, a desire. For example, you have a desire to get promoted, or you want to construct a house, or a certain amount of wealth you want to acquire, and for the same you scheme, you work hard, you play all the games, you create all the drama, and finally the desire gets fulfilled. The pain caused by the desire goes as it is fulfilled. Your mind is at peace now. Now let's take something a little more interesting, an insult. What is an insult? Insult is something, which is close to your heart, and somebody says something about it, or, hurts somebody who is near and dear to you, or gives a comment on something which you believe in, and then they say something and your entire constitution is shackled. What happens to you? This pain can persist. Even after 30 years, you remember the bully from school who said something and you couldn't do anything about it. Do you know how to come out of anger, regret, or any other emotion caused by the insult? What were you ignorant of because of which you could not address the pain of insult? Then let's get into a little more deeper scenario. When you get into midlife crisis, career sucks, you're not happy with the job, you've been doing so many jobs, and when you got used to the family, bringing up everything, responsibility, everything is going at its own pace. Now what? Now you also want to give back to the society, you itch, right? I had enough of myself, now I want to give back. You can volunteer for the Art of Living or any other organization of your choice, or you can become a member of your apartment association, or you can start donating monthly, anything which gives you a sense of this, I am giving. When people say, wow, you're able to find so much time to give back to the society, you feel, yeah. When people don't say anything about your work, sometimes your ego comes up and says that, okay, I don't care whether the world recognizes me or not. I will continue to. Things like that. You're kind of there, but still not there. Some part of you is filled, but most part is still empty. Why? Only rarely do we get into times when the mind wonders, who am I? Why am I here? What is the purpose of my life? What is this world for? Am I really connected to someone? Then the pain of separation comes. It's like the child lost in a fair or Kumbh Mela from her mother. The pain of longing intensifies. You wonder, why did I get separated from Mother Divine? Then you become desperate to locate the earliest memory when the separation happens. then this lifetime looks really, really insignificant. The pain intensifies further. Ignorance starts its journey towards its death. The real truth attempts to surface. The thin veil of ignorance seems to wither gently and gradually. It's like all this while you were lost in the shadow and now you turn around and see the light. When ignorance goes, knowledge comes. The pain of separation converts into yearning. You still cry. Now the tears are not of sadness, they are of longing. You're still in pain, but it's not the unbearable pain. Or the pain doesn't hurt, but it's still pain. Who can remove this thin veil of ignorance from your life? Who can bring the knowledge to get rid of your ultimate pain? I was lucky to find His Holiness Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Ji as my master. I don't know who will be yours. Your Gurudev. The above knowledge could be yours if you do the online breath and meditation workshop from Art of Living. This is happening all over the world at the moment. At this time of lockdown, register and get rid of your ignorance. You can follow Gurudev on his various social channels. Until then, happy exploring your ignorance.